Pineapple cocktails 3 ways. I'm gonna make 3 easy cocktails where the main ingredients is pineapple juice. Starting with this one, this is Cuban rum. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of this. This is gonna be actually my favorite because we're using Saint Germain. This is a elderberry flower liquor and it's my favorite. I always have it at home. Of this I'm adding 1 ounce. It is pretty sweet. And then grenadine, I'm adding 2 pumps of this because I'm also gonna add grapefruit juice, and I added 2 shots of the rum, so it needs to balance out the sweetness. Of the pineapple juice, I'm adding 4 ounces because you also have to think about what kind of cup or glass you're gonna be using, and you want to make sure that you fill it all the way to the top. Ice, and then we're gonna shake this tight, shaky, and a little more. Just make sure everything is combined. Of the grenadine, you can add another pump if you feel like it's not sweet enough because it is going to be like kind of bitter. And I'm topping this off with the grapefruit juice, full of vitamin, and it's very similar to whiskey sour, kind of. If you like whiskey sour, then you're going to love this one. So easy to make, pretty quick, and honestly, you can use whatever kind of rum you have at home. The next one is also going to be using rum. Of this, I'm using 1 ounce. This one is gonna be a mediocre strongness cocktail, passion fruit puree. I got this at Total Wine. It's like really concentrated passion fruit puree with no pulp, and it's very sweet and also very sour. So I'm adding about half an ounce. I added a little bit more just for my liking. Angostura bitter. This is an orange based bitter, just like 2 dash, and then a pineapple juice, 1, 2, and 3, and 4 again. This one is, well, it only has 1 shot of rum, so it's not too strong, so it's great for a light day drinking, just to like have a cocktail. And this is the glass I'll be using. If you feel like you don't have enough for your glass, add a little bit more pineapple juice and maybe half an ounce of the rum, and done. This is a passion fruit and pineapple cocktail. Super easy, but still very tasty and perfect for the summer. Last one. For this, I'm gonna be using this coconut liquor Caribbean rum. Of this, I'm gonna add 1 ounce, so it's like 1 shot, and then 1 ounce of actual rum. Yes, so rum and pineapple kind of goes hand in hand. An ounce of grapefruit juice just to make it a little bit bitter. Add a little umami to it, if you want to say, and half of a lime juice, 1, 2, 3 ounce of pineapple juice, and a dash of bitters. Ice, shake, and then strain into your glass. Again, also plan ahead on how big your glass is gonna be, or if you're gonna be using a bigger glass, just add some ice to it and then it will fill it up, or maybe a little more rum. I'm not judging. Go ahead, get a little more rum and go to the pool.